Good evening. Welcome to the Gourmet Bistro. How can I help you today?
Good evening. I'd like to see the menu, please.
Of course, here you go. Do you need a few minutes to decide?
Yes, please. I'll need a couple of minutes.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll start with a Caesar salad. And for the main course, I'd like the grilled salmon.
Excellent choice. How would you like your salmon cooked, medium or well done?
Medium, please.
Great. And would you like any sides with that?
Yes, could I have mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables?
Certainly. Would you like something to drink with your meal?
I'll have a glass of sparkling water, please.
Sure. Would you like any dessert after your meal?
Not right now, but I'll let you know if I change my mind.
No problem. I'll get your order ready.